Hey, Globus Gates here. Beautiful, beautiful job. I had to come here when it's done and show you what we got over here. So let's go a little bit and talk about what the style we got here. This is aluminum fence, Alu 3 we call this, and we customly painted it gold. Yeah, gold, guys. When I was first impression, I was like, oh, this is not gonna look good in the office. And I called the client and I was like, this is not gonna work. I'm sorry, and they were insisting on gold. And I said, okay, it's your house and it's your preference. Let's do gold. All the fabricator was like, you sure, Ronnie? I said, yes, we're sure. We're doing what the client wants because that's what we do here in Globus Gates best, because we like to do jobs different from others. This is your house, is your place, it's your heart, it's your preference, and it needs to be in your design and in your taste. If every other house looked the same, how we are special. This house is magnificent and it's superior special right now. So we got the aluminum slats. Aluminum is great. Why? We got grass, we got dogs, we got poop, we got pee, we got water. And aluminum, with all that, works the best and well maintenance. Basically, you need zero maintenance on it in regards to comparing to metal products. Now, the posts are black, as you can see, because that's going to break your panels, and that was a great idea. If this was all gold, I think in my preference would not look good, but now it looks super sweet. So we got the black galvanized posts that are with the aluminum channel as well, black. Then the aluminum slats. Now when you come to your front entry, you always want to have something different. At first we were talking about doing your slats at the same way, but hey, wait, where is our door? Our door will disappear and blend in. So when you're doing a fence, you always want to focus on the main entry, and you want to have that is your money point. So here what we went with glass and this beautiful rectangular frames. This bonds pretty good because it's still a horizontal design. It's black, so it matches the post, and it's reflective, so I can see myself, and I like it because I'm seeing myself. Great. So when your friends and family approach your house, they see themselves, and it makes and creates this area a bigger space, and it's super, super nice. They went with, not sure what intercom system this is. They found this on Amazon, but I see here there's an intercom button to call, and it's on a Wi-Fi base. Come and show them this. There's a keypad. Can't really give you any comments about it because I have never installed this. The clients of it bought their own locks. Looks great. Black, modern. This is our Germany handle we like to work with because it's solid and it feels good. You know, you're coming to a nice house, it just feels right. Now, following through, we continuing with the gold and black variations. We had this debate about the sliding entry for the cars, what to do. And my idea was to just do a black frame to just kind of represent, okay, this is your entry for your car, this is something else, but not take away from the main entry, which is with the glass. We wanted the black glass to be unique as itself, and this to kind of blend in, but still have that more bulky definition. And I think this has worked out really great. We have put SL3000 LiftMaster motor. I like the RSL12, which is a battery backup system, but I have learned with the years that the SL3000 is just a beast motor that just runs forever. And the RSL12 is a cute motor, but you're going to have to change your battery every 5 years. So we give the preference to a client. And in this position, we wanted to go with just a beefier, stronger motor because we have a pedestrian door that we can enter, open the door manual, and it's not a problem. It's just a pull handle. If it was just a gate by itself, I lived in Malibu, I'll go with the CSL24, which has double pack battery, which is a little bit big motor for this, but double pack battery, and or the HDSL, which is complete monster with a double pack battery. But here, SL3000, it's a no-brainer. 7 years warranty by LiftMaster, and just does the job great, great, great job. And that's about it, guys. This is the install. It came out pretty sweet. Globus Gates here in California. Just so you know, if you're a DIY or a fence contractor, we do have options for you to come and buy it from our factory. You can buy it on our shop, shopaluminumfence.com. Visit also aluglobusfence.com, also an online shop for Alu Globus composite aluminum fences. And something new that we do for you guys, contractors and DIYers, putting a fence may look easy. It's not that easy, but it is capable doing, even with no experience, yes. But doing a gate as this, there's no way doing without experience. And in Globus Gates by Aluma Globus, we offer you fully assembled gates, completely powder coated, completely done for your size opening, which is a motor, a sliding manual, a double swing with locks, a pedestrian door. We build it for you upon request, sizes, colors, powder coated, wrap it in plastic. You come down to our factory or delivery, and then you buy the fence kits, you install the fence kits yourself, and we did the hard work for you. The gates will come with the guide rollers, with the rollers installed, the wheels installed on the gate, complete, basically a weld-free install at the best quality and super heavy duty. This entire job was a weld-free job, only cement for all the posts. If you're going to do a motor, you're going to need a welder, although you can still do a bracket with screw, not a problem. Or we can weld the brackets for you pre-assembled. Globus Gates, Aluma Globus, giving you superior jobs at the best price, at the best quality, and a privilege like no others. See you guys, Globus Gates, checking out over here. Gold looks damn good.